the Sea Ranger, and in the video, I'm going to be joined by a couple of my friends, and we're going to play with slime, and I made that slime. So, we'll get started with the video. Shark. We're going to be playing slime together, and this is Raptor, this is Quad, this is Stork, so that he's so tiny, this is Batman, you can't really see him, Truck, Mummy, and Faye, and Bob, he's in there, he stole this slime, he stole this.
Gross! Ew, it's so squishy. It's warm. Oh my god.
I hate this slime.
Oh no.
Why everybody has slime in the city?
Why isn't Faye going in the slime?
I'm allergic.
Aw, poor Faye.
My fin!
Shark is in the slime. Whoa, so much is happening here.
Batman!
Oh my gosh,
Batman! Oh, Batman, you're right here! So cool!
Oh no, Raptor's completely wrapped up in the slime. He's Raptor and he's wrapped up in the slime.
Okay, now they just play for a little bit. Hey, my name's Raptor. I ripped off your toilet paper.
It's not toilet paper.
What is it then?
Actually, I'm not too sure.
What are you kidding? Are you kidding?
Oh, wait, where's Bob? Did he escape? Oh, good, he's still in there.
Wink.
No, Bob escaped from jail. Bob's back in there. Oh, wait, what? No, Bob is out.
Wait, this slime is you in here, Jay! This slime is you in
Bob is
here!
stuck in there.
Oh no! Why?
Disgusting.
Ew, slime's gross.
You're the slime monster.
This is an enemy even Batman cannot defeat. Batman flee. Well, look, it's Shark. He's defeating the slime monster.
Whoa! Batman, you can come back now!
I was just kidding. We shall defeat the monster. Oh no, this monster is so scary that Batman can't defeat it. Oh my gosh, yay! Oh yay, he's defeating the monster. Him and Bob are down. Yay! The slime monster is defeated, and the slime monster and Bob are back in jail. Why is your toilet paper so wet?
It's not wrong, Paper.
Your bones! Your mommy!
I know, it's not toilet paper.
What do you want?
Excuse me, I am from ancient Egyptian times. You should respect your elders.
Well, there's a little baby slime that we could play with.
Ah, a baby slime. Where is it?
I love you! Love you! Oh, look at that baby slime!
Oh, look at that. That's. Oh, my
Yeah.
gosh. Oh, wow. That's nice.
Oh no, we need to put that slime in jail. I love you, Mom. Yeah. Baba!
No, what's happening? What's happening?
Alright, so update, the baby slime got put in
Jail since he tried to attack Batman. Batman ran away, and then Raptor defeated the baby slime. And so now we're all safe. And we're just gonna play a little bit.
If you like this video, we have lots of fun playing with slimes today. And they're very fun. And I saw that I keep saying, very fun. See me next time. Bye.